I want to talk to you about a particular bugbear of mine, and this is something that has led us as humans to make some pretty bad decisions over time. Lynx, as a data consultancy, wants to help you make the best decisions with your data. And if we could get you to remember one thing about data, it's this: correlation is not the same thing as causation. Now, we've seen in our previous examples, the bus door sensor, the tickets and the rainfall, that there can be correlations between data. One set of data is related to another, but this is not the same as causation. In the rainfall example, maybe we made the mistake that we assumed rainfall caused ticket sales. Without looking properly behind the data, we don't know whether or not, in fact, rainfall is correlated with winter. Winter is correlated with more public holidays. Public holidays are correlated with more movie ticket sales. So you can see there that there can be a chain of events that match the two. Now, if you invested a lot of technology into rainwater seeding to ensure that it rained over time, that's not going to help you if there's no public holiday at the same time. If all you're interested in is predicting one thing, the causality doesn't matter so much. It doesn't matter why the people are coming in through the door. If it's raining and they're coming in through the door, that's a good thing. But when you start making interventions based on that data, you do need to know about causality so that you're not investing in technology to encourage rainfall when in fact it's public holidays that cause the movie ticket sales. A really well-publicised example of this relates to hormone replacement therapy, HRT, and heart disease. A well-done study done by scientists in proper conditions made a recommendation that HRT reduced the prevalence of heart disease. Great news, and people were starting to take this as a treatment. The challenge was that another study that was done found the complete opposite. They found a higher prevalence of heart disease in those people taking HRT. The moral of the story? The first study had confused causality with correlation. They assumed that the HRT was the causal factor, but in fact it was the other things in this study, the underlying condition of the patients in the first place, the socioeconomic status and the general well-being. Not such a good outcome if you've just been prescribed something that causes heart disease. To really make this point, there are a few wonderful sites out there that show some silly examples of spurious correlations. Check out tylerweigen.com for some of these. Whenever you see something caused by something else, challenge yourself. Check to make sure that it does in fact cause and is not just correlated with the two things that you're saying. And in the meantime, eat plenty of mozzarella cheese. We need more civil engineers out there.